About KWITA IZINA. The KWITA IZINA gorilla naming ceremony is modeled off a century-old tradition in which Rwandans name their children in the presence of family and friends. For 3 decades prior to the first official gorilla naming ceremony, park rangers and researchers named Rwandans mountain gorillas babies as part of monitoring each gorilla in their family and habitat. In 2005, Rwanda began officially naming mountain gorillas in what has become a global celebration of nature. By giving a name to the majestic animal, we give them value they undoubtedly deserve. The ceremony is first and foremost an opportunity to thank the community that live around the gorilla habitat, Volcanoes National Park, our research partners, vets, and dedicated conservationists, rangers, and trackers who protect the gorilla, rain, hail, or shine 365 days a year. Over the last 15 years, more than 300 mountain gorilla have been named, and today KWITA IZINA forms part of the ambitious strategy to preserve our natural heritage and further expand the role of tourism in our country's transformation. As a result of the naming ceremony, Rwandans from walks of life understand the intrinsic value of gorillas as well as their contribution to the country's economic prosperity. Rwandans have become gorilla guardians. Overall, Rwanda has emerged as a conservation and sustainable tourism on the continent. For instance, while in 2010 census there were 480 mountain gorillas, the 2016 census report indicated 604 in the Virunga Massif. These efforts have contributed to the increase in number of mountain gorillas worldwide, and now they are categorized as no longer critically endangered species. That's a short history we find about KWITA IZINA. KWITA IZINA ceremony happens every year since the official inauguration in 2005.